Hi guys, winter just started, so I end up making this very comfy fingerless gloves. This is a beginner pattern, so it's very easy and quick to make. So yeah, I'm going to show you how I made this fingerless gloves to keep your hand warm during this cold season. So let's get started. The things that we will be needed for our project. Wool yarn, some of this stitch marker, darning needle, and then measuring tape, 4mm hook, 4 yan, nabura lang, and scissors. So we'll start by making a chain long enough for our wrist. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I think this is long enough for my hand. So I will just add 2, 1, 2 to pick up the height of our half double crochet, and then we will put our first half double crochet in the stitch third chain from our hook. So we'll put it here, and then we will continue making half double crochet till the end of our chain. So at the end of this row, we will have 10 half double crochet. So we will count. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is our first half double crochet. And then we will chain 1. And then flip our work. And then we will put our hook at the back loop only for our first half double crochet in the second row. So again, back loop only. Yarn over and then put your yarn inside of your hook inside a stitch at the back loop only, and then yarn over and then pull through. So we'll just continue making half double crochet back loop only stitch till we reach the desired length of our project. Reach at the end, you will just need to chain 1, then flip your work, and then at the very first stitch, insert your hook at the back loop only, and then put your half double crochet. So the length of this depends on how big the hand of the person who will use the gloves that you are making. So for me, because my hand is very small, so this will not take time. Again, I am using this back loop stitch only because this will make the stitch will make will create ridges and design, and also it made your project as more stretchy. So I think I'm almost done for my wrist part of the gloves that I am making. So we'll try again. No, I think this is long enough. So 5.5 inch for me. Depends on how big the hand of the person that you are making these gloves, the length of your project. So we will just connect the both end, slip stitch and then single crochet to connect the both side of our project. Then we will try if it will fit in my hand. And yes, it fits. and then we will flip our work. We'll make it upside down, and then we will chain 1, and then we will put our first half double crochet at the first space, and then we will just keep putting half double crochet in every space that you can see. So it's like basically you will have 2 half double crochet in each of the row. So we're almost done in this row. Then when we reach at the very beginning of our row, we will just slip stitch, and then single crochet. So okay, so we're here now. We'll just make our slip stitch here, and we will put our stitch markers so that you will not get lost in counting. And then at the next row, we will start increasing our stitch. So what we're going to do is chain 1, and then 1 half double crochet in the first stitch, and then again another, and the next stitch, and then in the third stitch half double crochet, and then at the fourth stitch we will put 2 half double crochet. So 1 in the same stitch, again 1 half double crochet, and then we will just keep repeating that increase pattern. So 1 in the next stitch, half double crochet again, 1, and then in the third stitch 1 half double crochet again, and then at the fourth stitch we will put 2 half double crochet. Yeah, so keep repeating that pattern till you reach at the end of this row. So when you reach at the very start of this row, you will just need to slip stitch and then chain 1. Then put your stitch marker again. And then now we will just make a half double crochet in each of the stitch. No need increase. I will continue this off cam, and then I will meet you after I finish the 5th row where we will start to put the whole of our thumb. So now I reach at my 5th row. Sorry, I'm done in my 5th row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will try now and find out if we can put our thumb, the whole of our thumb now. So we can, okay, so now we will create the hole for our thumb. So I will show you how. Just make a 5 half double crochet in the first 5 stitches. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then so we will chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we will skip 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then at the 5 stitch we will put our continue our half double crochet. It will not, okay. Then continue making half double crochet, and then when we reach at the thumb part of our gloves, I will show you how to make it. So in this part, you can make you can put your half double crochet like this around the chain, or you can put inside the stitch. So I prefer putting it inside the chain. So wherever you are comfortable, you can, it looks the same. So for me, I am putting that inside the stitch, the chain, and then continue doing half double crochet. So yeah, this is just a repeat pattern and very basic, so it's very easy to follow. So again, your project, it depends on how long you want your gloves. So I'm on my 13th row of half double crochet. So we're almost done. And then after this, the last row of half double crochet, we will make one single crochet in each of the stitch. So the edge of our project will look clean. So yeah, so this is what it will look like now. Bulol. And then we'll just make a chain of one, and then continue making single crochet around. So this single crochet at the very last row, this is optional. So if you don't want to make it a bit tighter, it's fine, it's okay. So I am doing this because my fingers are small, so I want it a bit tighter, and I want my finished project clean. So yeah, it depends on you if you want that single crochet at the very end of the row or not. It's fine. So we're almost done. This is the last stitch now. So you will just cut our yarn and then wave our tail. So and we have to make it sure that it's tight. And then there you go, we're done. And we're done, Charan. I'm so happy for the result. My fingerless gloves is ready. I like this more than the other gloves, which is the whole finger are covered, because this you can still work. You can still hold your phone, and your finger is free. So if you like my fingerless gloves, or you want me to do something, you can just drop a comment in the comment section below. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.